kids! Welcome to Branio Homeschooling. Today, we are going to learn counting from 1 to 100. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now, let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome! 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Fantastic! 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Keep going. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Wonderful! 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Great counting! 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. You're doing amazing! 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Excellent work! Quiz time! What comes after 29? What comes after 49? What comes after 79? What comes after 99? Amazing work, kids! Now practice counting from 1 to 100 every day. Write the numbers in your notebook and read them aloud. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branio Homeschooling. See you in the next fun learning video.